Rhondda Cynon Taf and Merthyr Tydfil have a combined population of nearly 300,000, and their protection is a priority for Cwm Taf Adults and Children's Safeguarding Board. But effective safeguarding relies on a front line made up of many parts. Police officers, probation officers, doctors, carers, nurses, social workers, school teachers, youth workers. There are thousands of people across Cwm Taf who have a role to play in safeguarding. What they see, hear and find during their interactions every single day in places like people's homes, schools, hospitals and community centres can paint a rich picture of our society, the people living in it, and most importantly, identify those who need our help most, when they need it. But one brushstroke does not paint a true picture. 1 million brushstrokes from 1,000 different brushes don't either. Agencies must work together towards the same goal. They must work with one canvas. The Cwm Taf Multi-Agency Safeguarding Hub, M.A.S.H, is leading the way in safeguarding. It's lifted the age-old barriers to a seamless multi-agency safeguarding service, notably those of information sharing, misinterpretation of information, and lack of clarity. Police, health, social services, education and probation staff now work shoulder to shoulder under one roof in one open plan office space. The information they act on, the brushstrokes of intelligence, the knowledge provided from all the different corners of the front line is now shared by safeguarding agencies in one single place. Staff who must make critical decisions have more information at their fingertips than they've ever had. Multi-agency discussions happen in minutes. Decisions are made more quickly and are more informed. What started as a blank canvas in 2013 has resulted in a game-changing approach to safeguarding that's turning heads across the UK. Today, a richer, fuller picture is being painted of our society in Cwm Taf, and risk can be managed more effectively than ever before.